Welcome back to Fieldy's Backtracks. Well, we've made it down to Kew today, and what I'm doing is going in for one of these brekkie wraps that I've been going on about. And I'm going to show you all about this today, about the brekkie wraps. So we'll head in and grab one of these. This is Kew service station. Right. It's changed a bit in here. Changed stuff around on me. Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, thank you. Can I get a big brekkie wrap, please? With the sausage?
Yeah. Sausage.
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else?
That's it, thanks.
Good.
Awesome.
Do you need a receipt?
No, I'm good, thank you. Thanks very much.
Thank you. See ya.
See ya. I might grab some serviettes, because I know these are... Got any? Oh yeah, cool. Thanks. Get a couple of serviettes, because I might make a mess. Right. Truck's ripping into it. Right, welcome back to Fieldy's Backtracks. Now today, on Fieldy's Food Adventures, we've gone down to Kew. Now, Kew make the best brekkie wraps, in my opinion. I think they do anyway. So I'm going to show you what they're like today. So I'll just drop this open. Now what they are, it's like a wrap, tortilla wrap, toasted. A toasted tortilla wrap. Look at that. Big, fat, the girth of it, the weight is very girthy. It's good. Now, they've got bacon and eggs. I think there's a hash brown in there and a sausage, and it's got barbecue sauce. I think there's cheese in there too. So, we'll have a taste and I'll show you what it's like, and we'll give it the rating. Give it a rating out of 5. Anyway, here we go. Yeah, that's good. I'll get one more bite on this side. Oh yeah, that's good, I must say. So yeah, you can see the sausage, bacon and egg. There's a hash brown around there, there's cheese in there, barbecue sauce, beautiful. Still got the radio, UHF on. So, let's rate this out of 5. So for taste, brilliant taste. For weight, it's got heaps of weight. It was, I got 2 drinks, for $8 I think there was. And this was $24.50. So it's not the cheapest, but pretty good value. I think, for what it is, because you don't have to eat for the rest of the day once you have one of these. So getting back to it, so our rating out of 5. Let's have one more taste. Oh yeah. All right. So for value, it's got to be 4 out of 5 at least. For taste, 5 out of 5 as far as the brekkie wrap goes. And the contents and the weight is just sensational. So if you're ever going past Kew on your way from Newman or from Headland, heading south or heading north, and you time it for brekkie time, so it's about 20 to 9 now, 8:30, 20 to 9, drop into this servo here and pick up a big brekkie wrap, because definitely sensational. So overall, Fieldy's rating 5 out of 5. Righto, I hope you're having a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. I forgot to get some B-roll of that brekkie wrap. It was so nice, I just smashed it down, so no B-roll. Anyway, recommended, 5 out of 5. Oh shit. That wasn't good. Drop the camera. Well done, Daz. Drop the camera.